Starting a vlog. Me and my family are going to Moab. I'm so thankful for all the people in my life. Let's get on the road. On the road again. Aubrey! I might need one too, because I'm so tired. The watermelon one is way better than the peach. Brittany's just crazy. Buckle up. Too dangerous? There's no danger in my favor. What the fuck? No, Aubrey, I have to poo. This is not good. Yeah, I was getting a little lightheaded on the side, honestly. I can't with it. Oh, wait! They're so cute. They've got teal doors. There's a freaking water slide, bro. Guys, we're just sitting in a little Hallmark village. Yeah, Hallmark. Yeah. We all get our own beds. Let's go. What the? There's 3? Look how cute this is!
Retro fridges, retro microwaves. Means we gotta get some retro alcohol. Where should we eat? Let's Google places to eat.
Aubrey, come on this bed with me.
I was looking at your symbol, Aubrey, and the cancer sign looks like sideways 69. I was laughing. I'm like, oh
hi! Lonely girl over there. She won't come sit by me. The whole world knows you hate me. You miss me? Let's go get some chicken wings. You, my hat. I look like a Smurf. You guys have the key in the door box, right? I'm gonna leave my purse in here. It feels good outside. Dinner time! I'm glad we decided to go to the Arches this year. I really do think we should make this a tradition and go to a different national park every year. A different national park every year. Next year we go to Glacier. I think Yellowstone. Long Beach is cool to go to Glen this time of the year. Yellowstone. There's so much snow. Yellowstone. Yeah, we could probably do Yellowstone. You know what national park we should go to? Antarctica. You know what national park we should go to? The one in Asia. It's like this garden and it's so green. Asia, bro? We're not going to Asia. Oh, it's so cute and Christmas. It's so cute. It's like all Christmassy. He's going to freaking take all my lines. And you sound so cool. Aubrey, I thought that said all day, every day. Penis. Pins. Penis.
Pints.
Okay, I'm so embarrassed.
No.
This is how you salt your chip.
No, the noise.
You know, I like sucking on the chip. Thank you so much.
Angel, want another beer, sir?
Do you want yours lemon?
Sure. Yes.
Same thing.
The double D's with triple A's. I mean double A's. I'm the double D tonight. Who has triple A's? Not double D's.
Push 1.
Nuh-uh, I've done it to you guys before. I drove you, Mandy, and Dad home, and you guys were all listening to like 80s music, and you guys were like
Jamming.
so drunk.
Right now, world, to sing my song with love.
Good.
That was actually way good. That was like perfect, actually.
Where do I go?
2 more lights.
Oh, what the heck? We passed 3.
No, we didn't. We weren't even counting.
Right, let's get out, kids. Let's get out, kids.
But
You want this?
bitch.
No, that's.
Oh,
Did you just call your daughter a bitch?
Brittany, you're recording on my phone. Did you not realize that?
My phone's dead.
Okay, give me.
But you can AirDrop. Yes, you called me a bitch. You know what? You can sleep in the car tonight. You can. Barbie.
Whose is this?
Keep it in there, Mom. It's there for a reason.
She drinks 2 sips of milk full and she's like.
Walk the boulevard. Go. Go get in and save it for us. We'll be down in a minute.
Alright, I took a shower. We're gonna go get games at the gas station. I wanna go in the lobby and see if they have hot chocolate because I really want hot chocolate.
Yes.
We like the cream.
Creamer Nation.
Try that, you'll love that, bro. Oh, Dad is calling. Hello?
I wanted to go back to the gas station to fill up your water bottle.
Okay.
Do you want a snack while we're over here?
Can you get the honey barbecue burritos if they have them there?
I'll FaceTime you.
Okay. If you could find the
Look,
honey
it's
barbecue
the
burritos.
and it should say honey barbecue.
Exactly what we're talking
Yes,
about.
those.
Yes.
Get 1 or 2.
Just get one of them. Should we get the Sour Patch watermelons? Just get 1 bag of those. And then and then Sour Patch watermelons, and then that's it. You guys are the best. Okay, walk safe. Bye, love you. We're vlogging in here.
I grabbed the deck of
Where did
cards.
you find the cards?
Over there. Grabbed the deck of cards instead of the wallet to pay.
Oh wait, in the card game? I mean in the game room, you found cards and you just took them?
No, I bought cards over there.
Oh, I was looking at
And
everywhere.
then when we went back, I brought the cards to pay and left my wallet.
Oh.
Get back.
Door's open. Yeah, why is the door wide open?
I don't know. Who opened it up?
It's the ghost. We were the ones past.
Did you seriously not open it?
It's the ghost of Christmas.
How did it get open? I was over there.
No,
Mom
Dad,
was
I
over
saw
there.
you open it.
How? How?
Because it's toasty and hot in here, because it is.
I'm tired.
She likes his mama better.
Going around.
Oh, you're in here.
Yay, we're gonna go on a hike.
What?
Why didn't you use this toilet?
Oh, that's why they make you sit.
Ew.
So Aubrey had to do that one?
Yeah.
They don't, like, it literally says except Brittany on it. Don't you see that?
Oh my.
It says except for Brittany.
Today's your baby. Today's your baby.
Okay, we are at this lake and we're gonna go across a bridge and that's it. Okay, I went into this public bathroom and it literally has a tub in it. Look, with jets. Like, we waited to eat and now we're going to eat. We played games, but now we're gonna eat dinner! Yay! Spitfire Grill! Spitfire Grill!
Really flavorful.
Yeah.
Tasty.
That's my favorite part about smokehouse like art places.
We ate.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yay!
Spitfire barbecue. Whoa, she was fast.
No. That was better. Yay, we're done with the hot tub. Last night I didn't video like anything, but we're gonna go get breakfast and we're gonna go hike the arches today. It's raining, but we're still gonna go hiking. We're getting McDonald's for breakfast.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I got a cold.
Literally.
Yes, get some energy.
They're here, Mom. Roll down
That's
their
what she's
window.
saying.
Hi, Austin.
One prize for them.
Their drinks are so little.
Yep.
Do we have Happy Meal?
No, we didn't. No.
Well, I can do it. He's handing it to us.
That's everything. Yeah, we got it. You want more sauce or anything?
Chicken nuggies. We got a 20-piece chicken nuggies. Can we get some of everything?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I'm recording.
Here we go.
I wanted you to be in. Could we get another ranch over here? Music, it's like this thing I invented.
Something you invented?
Yeah,
Whoever
so
invented music is actually genius.
I wonder how that started.
They probably heard a bird go. And then they were like, "Oh, see if I can do that." Whistling was probably the.
Eating. We'll put it on.
Do you think instruments were made before music, or if music was made? Wait.
Singing was obviously made first, dumbass.
No.
Yeah,
I
because
think the beat started before the singing, to be honest.
well, they probably heard birds and animals make noises, and then they were like, "Oh, I want to see if I can make noise."
No, I don't think people are that smart.
Yeah, people were way smarter than they are today.
I'm kidding.
But then somebody made it an instrument.
But I felt. Can you roll down my window?
I want you
What
guys
do you
to be
guys
part
think
of
it
our
was?
conversation.
music
Do you
was
think
made
that
before
singing-
instruments.
Do you think that singing was made first or instruments?
Singing, obviously, because you can just sing first.
I
He's
don't
the only
know.
one.
Instruments.
The first instrument ever invented was the flute.
I would say the drums beating is the first instrument, way before the flute.
She googled it.
Who cares what Google says?
Yeah, it's true. Well, like obviously a
I agree,
drum
because-
probably was
well,
was the
because-
first, 'cause
That's all they do.
all
All
the
you're doing
Indians,
is this.
yeah. And I'm gonna dance around the fireplace and go.
Of course.
I honestly think you guys are right. The drum was probably obviously first.
You just said obviously singing.
No, I want the instrument.
Okay, I think we were about to too.
Yeah, we're on.
When it comes to instruments, the drum is probably.
Woo! Let's go hiking! But guys, you're lame. I will hike in this weather.
I know, until you get a cold and you want to die.
Look, so many people are doing it. We can do it too. We're here!
Let's go hike.
And it finally stopped raining and the sun's out. I'm excited. I'm going to the delicate arches. Yay. Ew.
Then I took the shortcut, and now I'm in front. Woo, woo, woo.
Dad!
Beautiful scenery.
Woohoo! We did it! Woohoo!
You want a picture of yours?
That's okay. We're just waiting for someone. But thank you.
Go Dad!
Go Ezra! Nice. That's a good one.
Slow, slippery.
It's so pretty. Wow.
Imagine how itchy your legs would be going down Mount Everest.
Mount Everest is
Actually, you wouldn't have legs. They'd be black from frostbite. I just want to run. The mountain is so big. Whee! Parkour! When there's nothing to jump on. I have to go to the bathroom so bad. I'm holding it in my cheeks. I'm running. But I feel like when I run, it's like popping out. I'm gonna poo my pants. Don't worry, you guys, I made it. It's disgusting as hell in here, though. My biggest phobia will always be public restrooms, and here's why. It's so gross.
Good Thanksgiving.
It's Christmas time? Yeah.
I smell like a wet dog. And we're gonna go get some snacks. So Dad said we could get literally anything, so I got these. Don't even worry. We got
our snacks.
our stash.
It's cold as
This is crazy. Snow for days. Nothing but white. Nothing but white. Body break. On the road again. Damn. We made it in Cedar. And it is literally a winter wonderland. Look at it. It's snowing. Wanna do a little spin in the snow? Literally one spin. Wow. Okay, we're finally going home now. Finally made it home, and for this trip, that's it. Don't really know how to end the video, so this is going to be kind of a dumb ending, but that's it.